All right, welcome back, XRP family. This right here is an interesting update. And when I say interesting, I mean a very, very exciting update. Shout out to the XRP community. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing so much love and, showing the power of the XRP community. And, we're not just seeing the power of XRP community over the course of the last 1.5 week. XRP community has been showing tremendous amount of love from the beginning. And that just shows you how passionate the community really is. And here we are, guys. XRP community deserves what's happening with the price right now. And, I know a lot of haters are completely speechless. It's an ongoing joke at this point on my channel. I say, where are the haters? And to be quite frank with you, there's absolutely no haters on these videos anymore. And that just tells you, and your boy predicted that. Go back and watch my old videos where there was no interest. I said, when the market moves up to certain price levels, you're going to see everyone becoming a moon boy. And that's the time we're currently living in. And it did not take months to have this shift. It took literally 1.5 weeks for XRP to get to these levels. XRP up 34.5% once again. On the weekly time frame, it's up 117%. And I know this does not sit well with a lot of people. The fact that XRP's price is up 117% over the course of the last 1 week alone. Looking at the price, $1.19, up 33.3% in USD and 31.7% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap, $67.1 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume at $26 billion. We got a lot to talk about. I'm going to talk about the price. Specific levels we spoke about in our previous update are being retested right now. And I'm going to tell you the importance of that and what we could be expecting if we break out of these key levels. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to start off with this right here. 8 hours ago, I asked the community, what their thoughts are as into which coin is going to be the biggest shocker. And I did this a few weeks ago as well, but here we are kind of getting an update. So you can see XRP back above $1. Which coin do you think will end up being the biggest shocker at the end of 2024? If you were to ask this exact same question 3 weeks ago, of course, I'd given the options, the likes of Solana, Cardano, XRP, and of course, I always give the option for other. If you believe it's another coin that you think would be, the biggest shocker, then you can comment that down below. But XRP came at the top. Are we surprised? Well, like I said, the reason as to why I do these polls are to gives you an understanding how fast this market, momentum switches, and the moon boys start coming towards the project that's having the best performance. And you're looking at XRP coming at the top. Like I said, if you asked this a few weeks ago, it would have been, I think, the likes of Solana higher than XRP. But here we are, and a lot of haters are speechless, and I think we're going to make haters speechless, when the price breaks out of this key resistance that we're currently at. But anyhow, let's take a closer look into this. Listen to this. Stewart posted this, and quite interesting to see. Gary Gensler attempting to justify his 4-year-long political crusade to destroy crypto by claiming he just continued by Jay Clinton started is like burning down the house and saying Jay lit is the match. I just added the gasoline. Look at this, guys. When I arrived in 2021 as a commissioner under Chairman Jay Clinton, I don't know why this even happened, but I'm sure we know the damage that was brought to the crypto space, based off of this. But yeah. Under Chairman Jay Clinton has already brought some 80 actions, including the Ripple case, against participants in the crypto markets that were not following the common sense rules of the road. His commission said, his commission, and he spoke often about these markets starting in his third month in office when the commission put out the Dow report. The SEC has continued the vigilance to ensure that those offering or selling securities comply with our time testing security laws. And again, it's the most frustrating part, when it comes to the SEC way of treating crypto is that some of these laws never even really existed for digital assets, and they're just making it out of thin air. And one question in Congress, they're just completely speechless where they're coming up with these rules. And this is why there needs to be clarity, and this is why the likes of Donald Trump, was elected by a lot of crypto enthusiasts, and they are being heard, and I think we're going to see that restructure happening. And we did see Gary Gensler kind of hinting out over the course of the last few days that it's almost his time to end his job as the chairman. Speaking about ending Gary Gensler's time as the chairman, there's names obviously arising as to who's really going to replace. Obviously, you need someone to be pro crypto who's going to replace you. You can't have someone that does not support crypto and come and take that position, because pretty much nothing's going to change at that point. And I'm sure they're not going to put someone there that is not going to be, looking forward towards crypto innovation. I'm sure they're going to put someone that is, focused on crypto, understands the crypto industry, and are going to, make new rules and, put new infrastructures in place where crypto platforms are treated fairly. But you can see another name that comes up is Dan Gallagher, who served as the SEC commissioner during Obama's 2 terms as president, and now works as chief legal officer as the investment platform Robinhood. So people are saying that he could be back in the position of the commissioner of the SEC. Let me know down below who you guys think. And, Chad posted this, best possible scenario for the SEC. Then comes the restructuring of the Congress. But, Don Alt, who's been tweeting quite a bit about XRP lately, has made a bold prediction, a massive prediction to say the least. From 6th position, Don Alt is believing that, we're going to see XRP reclaiming into the 2nd spot. Are we going to see that happening? Who knows? Who knows? We need to understand XRP never really had a bull cycle. Of course, people can come out and say, the XRP price did have a bull cycle, last cycle where it went to $2, but I don't really consider that as a bull cycle. I consider a bull cycle when, the prices reach all-time highs. But let's get into the price, guys. The price is, what a lot of people want to see, and I got a lot to discuss right now. So, the dominance actually pulled down more compared to our update last night. And guess what happened with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's still holding above $91,000. What happens when this happens? We know altcoins tend to go absolutely nuts, and that's exactly what's happening right now. XRP really took advantage of this. But let's talk about what XRP was able to do. Exactly what I pinpointed on my channel over the course of the last 24 hours in some of my updates. Especially the one where we were closing the daily candle for yesterday. I did say get ready for what XRP is about to do. It's about to make history, and it has made history right now as we speak. What I mean by that is XRP retested the key resistance at $1.26 for the first time since October 2021. So more than 3 years ago, the price of XRP was back above this key resistance. But look at the neckline retest. Your boy is not just making random lines across the chart. I know I say this quite a bit, but here we are getting yet again another confirmation that these lines are major, and I repeat, major key resistances for XRP. You could clearly see this for yourself. We touched right at the neckline and have seen a rejection. Why is that the case? Because this is a massive hurdle in front of the price of XRP. But give yourself a pat on the back, guys. This right here is historic. XRP community deserves this, and I do believe that if it's able to close its daily candle, and I do believe we're gonna fill the wick, and if it's able to get back above this key resistance, close the daily candle here, I think we're heading towards the likes of these prices that we haven't seen, like I said, for more than 3 years. $1.41 could be retested. Oops, we don't want to get rid of this. Where did it go? Fib levels. There we are. Yeah, but pretty much what I don't want you guys to be forgetting right now is the fact that the price of XRP after this could just start thriving, and the SEC lawsuit is still not over yet. The SEC lawsuit is still not over yet, and here we are seeing XRP retesting the likes of the 61.8 fib level, which of course is really nice to see. And again, if you want to put this into perspective on the hourly time frame, I don't know what's going on with these charts. Let me bring out the chart, guys. XRP, USD. There we go. So here we are. As I said, we retested that neckline, but I want to show you guys the hourly time frame so you really understand what's going on. Look at this, right at that neckline. Retest. So after testing that neckline, you saw the price rejected all the way down to the $1.05. Of course, profit taking. Believe it or not, that happens. And a continuous reminder to each and every one of you guys: if you've been picking up XRP over the course of the last few years at a cheap price, and you are sitting at, some massive profits. Maybe, locking some profits never hurts. But anyhow, if you somehow got your positions locked in here, maybe, your orders filled, if you wanted to get yourself some XRP, you are up right now 15% instantly. So, significant momentum right now. And I think, what XRP is about to show us right now is going to leave a lot of people speechless. And I've said that from the beginning, and I stick with that. So right now, obviously, we're retesting some major resistances. If that is able to clear out, we could be making our way up to, the likes of, oopsies, where are we? Here we are. Yeah. So $1.42 right below the 0.50 fib, of course. And then after that, I think fireworks really begin fast. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are we about to see an XRP ETF now come? Because, the price of XRP is going crazy. More clarity coming towards a high chance of this lawsuit being dropped. Let me know your thoughts down below. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.